Today on our YouTube video, we're going to show you how to install WAM to your motherboard. First up, you need two things of WAM. You don't matter how many you have, it's just enough to fit your slots. Now let's go to Miss Granny Grump to tell us what WAM is.
Thank you, Mr. Happy Tech, for once again letting Granny Grump tell you how to install RAM in your computer. This is 2 sticks of RAM. You install it in your computer for memory, so the CPU can access it.
Thank you, Miss Granny Grump. Now you get your RAM, you figure out where the slots are right here on this thing. Well, you just place the WAM wire and push it in. You know it's in when both fire things push into it like that. And you get your other thing of WAM right here and do the same thing. Kind of how to do one here. Like that. Make sure they push in like that. What you're installing to is the motherboard. Now let's go to Miss Granny Grump to tell us what a motherboard is.
This is a motherboard. You know how important mothers are? Well, this is the motherboard of your computer. It holds all the components that your computer needs to run. It is the mainframe of your computer, just like a mother is the mainframe of the home.
Thank you, Miss Granny Grump. And that's how you install WAM to your motherboard or computer. Thank you for watching our video. Tune in to next week to watch a brand new video, which will be in better quality because we are getting a new camera. Thank you and bye.